Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you guys through the installation procedure of Go. So for the sake of this video I'm going to be installing Go in Linux, but if you are a Mac user or a Windows user you can easily follow the link to the documentation. So go to golang.org, the Go's official website, and you'll see this page. Simply click on download Go and choose your operating system. So in my case I'm going to go with Linux. Then it's automatically going to download the tarball file or the compressed file on your system. So after that you just change your directory to that in your terminal. So let's say in my case it's in downloads, and then simply paste this command. So what this command is going to do is, I'm going to cancel it right now because I already have it installed. So it's going to extract your tarball and it's going to paste it in your path /user/local. So to check if you still have the installation of the Go, or if you have the installation of the Go, you first need to set the path variable. So you need to tell your operating system to check this path for Go. So once you export your path, you can simply do Go version to see if your Go version is running or not. If you get an output like this, it means that Go is installed. So the problem with this is that whenever you exit your terminal and you spin up a new terminal, if you do Go, it's going to say that path is not defined. So for that, you go to your profile, .profile, go to the end, and then simply do export path is equal to go path, this line. So if you have these two lines there, after adding these two lines in your profile, simply do source .profile, and then you'll be able to run Go version. So this was a simple installation procedure for Linux. So if you're using a Mac or a Windows, simply check out the documentation over here, go back. So if you're let's say if you're a Mac user, then you'll find all of the documentation you need to download right over here. And if you need any help with setting your Go path or any other things like that, then you can contact me, or you can also contact the community, because Go has a really great community which help people around installations and other doubts. So thank you guys, and see you guys in the next video.